For this, open After Effects, New Composition, follow the settings as shown. Now set the background color to the green so that you can eliminate the green screen and only the counter remains on the video. Now go to Shape tool, take Ellipse tool, hold Shift, left click, drag and drop it on a background. Click Fill and choose None. Now Stroke tool and choose the color you would like to apply. Press Ctrl Alt Home for a character effect. Now center align the shape. Press Ctrl or Command D to create a new layer. Now set the stroke to any other color. To animate, open second layer, add and trim paths. Now open path below and set the end value to 0. Click on the stopwatch and go to the end of the animation and set it to 100. Now if you see the counter, it's rolling from 0% to 100% on screen. To fast the animation, drag the keyframe little closer, and to slow down, drag it little further. To smoothen the loading, select all the keyframes, right-click on a keyframe assistant and easy ease. From this, animation gets even smoother. For extra add-ons, go to Stroke 1 and set Line Cap to Round Cap. Now the remaining part is to add counting numbers with a percentage. Set Action Safe over here. Take a text tool, left click and drag inside the circle and type 0. Select with Ctrl or Command E, change the font that is suitable for digit. Do the adjustments, center align the text and text boxes. Now head to Effects and search for Slider Control. Drag and drop this on a text layer, and to link this with a slider, open the text, hold Alt and left click on a source text. Drag the pick whip up to the slider. You can find the code on the timeline now. You can observe that with change in slider control can change the counting numbers. Now to set exact 100% matching counter, all you need to do is go back to the shape layer, press U to reveal the exact time of a keyframe we have set it. Now adjust the slider counter time exactly matching it for 100%. And as you can see, this will make a slider counter super cool. But you can find the decimal values over there, which we don't want to have it on a percentage. So we need to make a small changes in a coding below on the timeline. Change the code with adding dot value dot to fix open and close brackets plus percentage within a double quotes. Now if you have a look at it, it's perfect. To make it divine look, go to Effects, search for a glow. Drag and apply it on a text layer. Set some value that match this glow. There we go, it's ready now. Now to download it, go to File, Export, add Render Queue. Select the output destination over here and save it in MP4 format. Now click on Render to get output. Go to Editing window, drag this green screen animated effect of a percentage counter. Go to Effects, search Ultra key. Drag and drop it on a rendered animation. Now go to Effects Control, search for Ultra key effects. Pick a eyedropper tool and place it on a green screen. Ta-da! It's a magic of green screen. Now change the position and scaling values accordingly. The output is ready now. Oh my god, subscribing my channel is much simpler than this. Subscribe now.